So guys, the composer has already done the magic. It has installed the project. You can see right here the basic folder with all the Yii2 files. Good. So I'll just close this and then maybe rename this one to Yii2 Code Lab. Let's say YouTube. Maybe something easier. Code Lab, just like that. So now we should be able to try and load it in our, let me check if it's working. So it's localhost projects, and then what's the name again? Code Lab, then the web folder. Oh, doesn't work. So should be something like, let's see, Code Lab, like that. Voila, there we go. So we have successfully installed our Yii application using the composer. So if you have any questions, can ask in the comments, or if you have any challenges, just comment below the video and I'll try to help. Thank you.